Class, it's language arts time. Take out your books.
Ms. Smith, can I use the bathroom?
Sure.
Ha 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 ha. Ms. Smith think that I am going to the bathroom? No. I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. It's the fire alarm. Everyone evacuate.
Don't worry, students and staff. This is a false alarm. Someone named Cristinel do this. Everyone get back to work.
I know it was him.
Cristinel, Sharita, come to my office. Cristinel, I want to talk to you something important. I catched a footage of you pulling out the fire alarm. Are you? Did you? Without a doll, delivery, pulling out the fire alarm? Yes, I did. Well, I am glad you told me the truth. But still, it was very insane of you to do that. You are suspended for 2 weeks. Go home. Cristinel, how dare you pull out the fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded for 2 months. Go to your room.